Hey guys, what is going on? 6 amateurs playing disc golf. Today we are at
Sawmill.
Yeah,
Sawmill,
Sawmill,
Florida.
In Florida, having a great time. The Florida tour has been amazing. If you haven't checked out the front 12, I did say 12 because it's a 24-hole course. We're having a great time. Be sure to check out Acebabee's channel, link down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's go.
All right. All right, we're on hole 13, starting the second half of this course. It is the par 5, 707 feet to position A. This used to be 2 holes combined, and we just decided to make it 1 because we lacked par 5. We're gonna get out here into this open field where you can see the opening up in the tree line. You're gonna wanna curve around there to the right side, and the basket will be tucked up against the wood line.
From where?
Oh, your bag if you've done
Nice throw. It's out there. Yep. Nice throw.
Position shot.
That's fine though. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. Goodbye. Goodbye, disc.
That's gonna be great. Maybe, yeah, you can 65, 70.
Yeah, no, I definitely intentionally.
When in doubt,
And then you gotta throw. This is not here, but this is a Cesara, and I'm. Is it fuzzy? It's not super fuzzy. That's the screw that comes back on it. Oh man, that was nice. Nice out.
Oh yeah, great angle on that.
Yeah,
Oh,
nice.
roll over. Yeah, good call.
Roll over.
One.
But it was kind of easy because it was at the very end. So easy to remember.
So that's the lowest speed and the most understable of the horses.
Well, it made it very easy.
Best scramble Hole 14, it is 242 feet. We've just got a slight hyzer shot all the way down, keeping it thin. You can see the basket at the end, right behind that small tree. This is the first ace I've ever had in disc golf.
See it again.
It's okay, that's an easy par.
Putting that on.
I don't usually use it. I probably should. I don't think I smell right.
That's the first time I've ever flicked this one.
That's the worst throw I've had today.
Sorry, I think I'll go.
Oh!
Nice.
The anti-skip and all. I would give it all up just for today to be the norm. Like it to be normally we have an filling prophecy, James.
Good work.
Thank you.
Yeah, he's wrong.
Yeah, nice three.
Hole 15, another par 3 in the woods. Straight line to the basket. 252 feet.
Is it really 252? It says like. Hey, I would. Yeah. Oh, join me.
Yeah.
Nice throw. Yeah. That's great. Great throw.
Terrible.
We're all like. Let's go plus.
I'm sorry, guys. I ruined this for all y'all.
As soon as you putt, it won't be wrong for us. Don't join us.
I thought you were going to throw it over there with them, Daryl.
Come join us on the other side.
My bad. My bad.
All right, we're on hole 16. It's a par 4, 409 feet. And we're gonna go out and then a big left turn all the way to the basket. Pretty open up, a few scattered trees. Shortcut, shortcut. Local route.
Yeah, what was the whole breakdown on that? he said he wanted to stay black dog in the trees. That shirt.
Nice. That's a great throw.
Definitely don't.
Yeah, it was very close to that. Oh, that's gonna be great.
Keep your back turned and fire through it.
Oh, sorry, Andy. It got caught on the sweetness.
I fell completely out of it.
I knew I was making that. I just knew it.
Nice. Great putt. I was just trying to make minis so Andy's this guy goes. You and Andy were making minis.
Hole 17 is a par 3, only 238 with a slight line. Behind the tee pad, you can see the infamous Silver Springs water tower that
You know why?
That's infamous.
Alright.
That's pretty cool.
Infamous. Keep right.
Down there?
Yeah, no right turn. 246. How much down?
What?
It says 246. Come on back. Yeah, that come back.
Yeah.
Nice.
Sometimes you just gotta politely ask.
You said just down -2 degrees. That's pretty cold.
Look at this ace.
Let's go. Oh man. Nice.
That's good for the other position. Slide, slip and slide. Putting for a baby.
Yep. Give up. Oh.
Hopefully that wasn't too close to the camera. Yes!
After I pricked my finger.
Go ahead. Yep, nice spot.
I had it.
You would have made either one.
Yeah, I would have made either one. See?
All right, we are on hole 18. It's 311 feet. You have to make it out of the tree gap and then a hard right turn over to the wood line.
Too much of a scary.
It's gonna run. I ran. We got it there. More people inside. It's gonna be a tough one for them.
You make
You're
this.
crazy. I wish it was downhill, not uphill. This is really an upshot, but I'm going for it also.
This is crazy.
It's that uphill. I was trying too hard.
Yeah.
Usually I don't care, but when I like focus in on something, sometimes it does matter. Alright.
I like the par 5 though.
Yeah, I do too. We're at hole 19. It is only 187 feet, but we have a double mando and a thin line to the elevated basket. I'm gonna try to skip this into the elevated basket. Oh.
It was actually
It was great.
Have you ever heard of pub sex?
I've never heard that.
Oh. Is that your first one?
Yeah.
I see James has inspired you.
I need to put a lot more.
He said this is good wedding weather. I ain't got any over there.
So close.
Oh, that would have been great. Nice spot. Easy, breezy, beautiful. Yep, great putt. Nice job.
We are on hole 20, par 3. It's 259 feet, and we start in the open. Avoid the fence and the sign. and curve it into the right, into the basket under the tree line.
Rock.
Room, I think.
It kind of like slowed it down a lot, I think. See, I was worried about my disc doing that, but it didn't. Join us.
That little rim was like, nope.
You are crazy with that putt. Run it out, run it out. James is too old of a man to do it. Oh my goodness. You got a very nasty anti.
We are at hole 21. It's a par 3, 212 feet to the basket. You can try to go straight at it through the trees or go out and go left.
That's my most flary, skippy disc. If it didn't do that, I would have been really upset with that timeout. She's stable. Stable girl. Get through. Oh. Yeah. Local route.
I don't know where it ended up, but it looked good from there.
Oh, still works.
Yeah.
Yep. So pretty. Yeah. Good putt. Fish will be said.
We are at hole 22. It's a par 3, 265 feet, slight uphill, a little more open with just a few trees to avoid. Elevated basket.
Oh, come back.
It's okay. That's a
Yeah,
par.
it's there.
Or if you hit a root.
Yeah, another route.
Do you like this one?
You
They thought about going in the basket. Do something crazy.
Your fault for putting that left side in my
Yeah,
head.
don't do it. Don't
That's
do it.
all you.
An alien.
You have an alien friend right here.
Watch me turbo putt.
That's a robot.
You are kind of like a robot with your turbo putt. Go in.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm just laying it up so.
Spin, 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 spinny.
I was gonna like throw as hard as I could, but
420.
Just don't mention the vines.
we're on hole 23. It's 420 feet, par 4. We're gonna come out to an open field where it goes down, then you have to get back up and the basket is hidden behind an oak.
Keep left or straight through. I think that's just left side.
Dang. So I really wanted to get through it, and I just.
Yep.
See all the YouTube comments about my film.
What is that guy doing? At least in the you're good. It's par 4, up and down you get. Let's go, guys. Get a skip around it. Yes. Slow down.
Thanks.
Going for birdie.
You threw it too far. Oh, Daryl.
Does he have to climb in the tree, right?
I think he has to climb to the top.
Yeah.
You can move your disc. To
Yeah, and actually come over here and you can put your foot.
That's spotty way.
And you'll have a better spot like that.
Yeah, because I mean,
And
it's
then
still in
what
my
if you
way.
stood right here, Daryl? on this
Right
side?
here.
I don't have that.
I think you can figure it out.
I don't have that. I'm not. I'm not
What's wrong with that attitude? Don't.
Hey, Captain Morgan.
Got a little captain in you?
It's not gonna be Captain Parr.
The most interesting man on the course.
That doesn't do good for a hip replacement. I'll tell you that right now.
All right, go the other way. The way we're over here.
All right. Don't get a hip replacement and try this. I speak from words of experience.
Yeah.
What a putt. What a putt, dude. Do you give credit to your hip replacement?
Yeah, yeah. Hippie was very happy with that. Nice. Bird sanctuary.
I'm a birdie too. All right, guys, thanks for joining us at Sawmill. We are on the last and final hole 24. It is a par 3, 202 feet. The basket position is on the left for this one. So you're gonna go up over the arch and slightly fade to the right.
All right, let's
Good
go.
guys.
Good round,
Fun
everybody.
day.
Good
You ready?
round.
Good
You have
round.
4, right?
I had 4.
Yeah, good round.
Good round.
Awesome.
I don't know.
Yeah,
well,
one more
I got
time just to go.
One more time.
One more time.
One more time. Yep. Straight.
First thumber of the day. I don't like thumbers.
Wow, nice.
It didn't roll.
Andy does.
Andy with the summer.
Oh, you want the little skipper?
Oh man.
I want the check.
Yeah.
Come on. It's a good tree.
Yeah, it's not the water.
Go back in.
There, go, run and go.
That's sick. That's why she's called Acebabieee, right?
Acebabieee.
And the name, Lizzo.
Let's go, Acebabieee.
I'm so excited. Let's go.
It's the Sawmill.
Go back in.
There, go, run and go.
Oh.
Man, bro.
Scary.
There it is. There it was.
Feel it, I'm running it.
Stingray. No, never miss.
All right, everyone has to get in a picture with me with the basket.
Oh yeah. Oh, we gotta find it too.
Yep, that's true.
Okay guys, that is our round at Sawmill. Nothing too exciting happened today. We had a lot of fun, except for Acebabieee getting an ace. Shout out, James,
On
going
this
over.
hole.
Our
And everybody's signing the
our intro
ace disc right now.
extraordinaire, James. Thank you so much.
Hey, no
that
problem.
was
Thanks for
awesome.
coming and joining us.
Thank you. Carly and Derek, thank you guys for playing with us.
Yeah, thanks for
lot
having
of
us.
fun, lot of fun. And the cameraman extraordinaire, Andy,
Mr.
aka
Acebabieee.
Mr. Acebabieee. Love this course. Acebabieee, got anything other than?
I mean, it's pretty magical getting an ace. So and it was with the PA5. It was just like chef's kiss of a throw. It was so yeah.
Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go.
I just learned that. I know.
Yes.
I'm pretty old. I'm
Yes.
kind of I don't know all these
They,
things.
they made the course the perfect distance for her to get her ace. She would not have gotten it on 23, so she got it on 24. My buddy. Again, thank you so much. The course, amazing. Everything was awesome. You guys, thank you very much. You, thank you very much. Like, comment,
Wait,
subscribe.
We're gonna say this. We gotta say the score, I guess. Well, we don't have all of them.
Yeah, the score will be down here below.
Yes.
And that's
I
all.
think Derek won with a 6 down, or did you get a 2 on that? 3. 5 down. Andy, what'd you get?
I had a 3.
3.
A 4 down. You have a 4 down. I'm at a 2 down. Carly,
I got a 3 on that.
are 6 over, and Daryl
3.
is 2 over.
Yay! All
There
in
you go.
all,
Best Florida round so far, Daryl.
that is
that
my
was-
best Florida
You
round.
played really, really well.
Yeah,
To have
yeah.
2 over, that's great.
Everything was going well today.
Yeah.
But
Nice job.
check out all of our content, and you guys have an incredible day.